Okay, class, can you hear me? Okay, good, good. So it looks like we're still waiting on just a few more students to join. Okay, I think we got almost everybody. Let me just wait one more moment. Okay, I think we almost have everybody. I think we'll just go ahead and get started with the last activity since, yeah, okay. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. And close this. Okay, so uh, right now we are going to, we are going to do the, hold on, where's my chat window? Right now we are going to try the chatting activity for the first time. The chatting activity is very simple. Just for the chatting activity, you will just have a conversation with one other student, or maybe two other students. All you have to do is ask each other questions and answer the questions. Okay. I will give you the questions. You will just um, but both students will ask and answer questions. Okay, so I'm going to show you these questions right here. Let me see if I can find a better picture of those. Hold on. Okay, so here are some of the questions. It's you don't have to ask the questions in order. Okay. So for example, you could start with number 50. You could start with 50, or you could start with 46, right? Over here. And under each question, there are extra questions that you or your partner can ask. Okay, so if I ask my partner question 46 and they answer yes, I can ask why, and they can ask me, did you ever see a ghost? Okay, right? I could say, do you believe in ghosts? They say yes. I say, oh, why? And then the partner answers. The partner asks me, uh, did you ever see a ghost? Right? They ask me that. Okay, so we're just asking and answering questions. There's no order. Just make sure that after one person asks 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 questions, the other student then must ask 1 to 3 questions. Okay, that's the only rule. If I ask 1 or 2 or 3 questions, the other person answers, then the other person will ask me 1 or 2 or 3 different questions. Okay. For today's activity, I'm going to email you the questions. I'm going to do that right now. So there go the questions. I just emailed you the questions. Okay. We will only do this for 2 minutes. Okay. You will be in a private chatting room. So only you and your partner can hear and see you. So let me ask group 6. Do you have to turn on your microphone for the chat? Group 6? Yes? No? Group 6? Yes? No? Yes, correct. Group 5, do you have to turn on your camera for the chat? Yes, 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 comma, you must, right? Because this is all practice for the conversation test. So if you don't turn on your camera and microphone and try to speak, then you are not helping your partner. That means your partner will not get a good grade, and may do poorly on the conversation test. Okay. Also, last thing, when I put you in the private chatting room, stay there until you are told to leave. Don't come back to the class. You only need to turn on your cameras and microphones. Whoops. Okay. All right, we're going to start now. Does anyone have any questions before we start? Okay, I'm going to put you in your rooms now. Anji Sung. Anji Sung, why did you come back? Whoa, 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 whoa. Why did you come back? Anji Sung and Sayak, Chung Sayak, why did you come back? Why did you come back? Anji Sung? Can you go back to the room?
Okay, teacher.
Yes.
Is your room
On-
3 collect?
No, we didn't close. You should go back to the room. So
Yes.
on the bottom of your screen, of your computer,
Oh yes, okay.
you see the 4 boxes? Box, 4 boxes. Okay, just waiting on a few more students to come back. Okay, good job, everybody. I know that was short. We will spend more time on this next class. Thank you for coming to class today. If you have any questions, then you can stay. If not, then you can go, and I will say goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.
Do you have homework today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm 마카문입니다.
Sorry? Is this Magamun?
Yes.
Hi. Do you have a question?
Do you have homework today?
Oh, your homework today, let me show you, was, where is it? Here. Get classmates' cacao or phone number.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. That was it.
Professor,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yep.
English is a student, so I have a question to you. Is there anything I have to do last weekend? Last week?
Oh, was there anything you missed? Are you talking about the email? No, you didn't miss anything last week.
Thank you.
Okay, last week's class was just a fun class to meet me and meet other students. That's it. So, get the textbook. That was it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
But thank you, Professor.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.